Hey guys, Sok here from sakitech, and in today's video we have some great news. We have some breaking news. Samsung has officially started rolling out One UI 7.0 update today. Now this update brings some incredible features for your Samsung Galaxy smartphone. The update is going to be beginning with the Samsung Galaxy S24 series, Galaxy Z Fold6, and the Galaxy Flip6. Now Samsung originally shared an initial list of devices that we're going to get the One UI 7. But now we do have a detailed release schedule for many Samsung Galaxy smartphones via the Samsung members community. So this is going to be the official roadmap. So let's dive in and see exactly what's going on and when your phone is going to be getting One UI 7, your Samsung phone. Now quickly, before I dive into that, I do want to show you guys, here is what's new in One UI 7. These are some major features. We have the improved app and widget customization styles. As you can see right over here, you're going to have a beautiful display. It'll look just like this, as you can see. All right, you are going to have large folders. All right, so we're going to get those large folders, which just make everything look much better when you organize it on your home screen. And then we have the brand new and highly anticipated now bar that is going to be coming to all these Samsung phones that we are going to mention in this video. And of course, there's so much more. We'll be making a full video with detailed top features. But right now, let's look at the release schedule, the release roadmap. So to see the map for yourself, I'll drop a link down below. It's going to be on my website. When you click that, you're going to see Samsung begins One UI 7.0 rollout. Now this roadmap does come from Samsung members community, so it is going to be official. Now remember, this schedule is going to apply to South Korean market, but it's going to be approximately the same with the rest of the world. For example, in April, these phones are supposed to get the One UI 7.0 update. In Korea, that might be happening today. In the United States, it is going to happen on April the 10th, all right? Now, don't forget, in April, we also have the Z Fold6, Flip6, and also the S24 series. I did not list them here because they are mentioned on the top, okay? So they are included in April. So if you scroll down, you can also see the May. By the way, if you have an S23, you are good to go in April sometime. Now, we don't know the exact date, but that's going to be April, the month of April. Then we have May, Z Fold4, Flip4, S9 series, S23 FE, Z Fold3, Flip3, A34, A35, S22 series, the Tab S8 series, and the S21 series, as well as these other smartphones right over here. So that's going to be happening on May if you have any one of these phones. Again, we don't know the exact dates, but it is going to happen sometime in May for these phones. And if I scroll down over here in June, you have the rest of these phones. Again, I'll drop a link down below so you can look at all this information for yourself, but you can also pause and read the details in the video. So that is going to be the official release roadmap. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, drop them down below. Let me know. For now, guys, have a fantastic day.